Hello everyone, I am Shanese and welcome to my channel if this is your first time, and if it's not, welcome back. So today's video is going to be tips on how to grow healthy and thick locks like these. I don't know if you guys have seen the videos already, part 1 and part 2 of my lock journey. I am very proud of my locks thus far. I do get asked a lot, how do I maintain my locks? How are they, nice and thick and healthy? So this is why I'm bringing you this video of how to grow thick and healthy locks. So if this is something that you're interested in, go ahead, stay tuned. In the meantime, go ahead and like this video and subscribe to my channel. Turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any of the videos that I have come out. For the rest of this year, I will be dropping some more lock videos, of course. So let's go ahead and get into these tips on how to grow thick and healthy locks. So first thing is you want to make sure that you hydrate. Your body needs water. Your body needs water. Let's say that again. Say it with me. My body needs water to be healthy. So we all know that our body is made up of 70% water. So we need to replenish that water. We sweat throughout the day. Our body needs water. So your hair needs water as well. So if you're not drinking enough water, your hair is going to be brittle. It's going to damage more easily. Number 2 is to make sure you're taking a multivitamin. So for my women, if you're of childbearing age, a good multivitamin is just a regular prenatal vitamin. I've been taking prenatals for probably 3 years, going on 4 years now since my first child. And doctors recommend that if you're of childbearing age to take prenatals for the women out there. For men, a regular multivitamin should do the trick. You want to make sure that your multivitamin has biotin in it, which most of them do. But biotin helps your hair, your nails, and your skin. So multivitamin, take your multivitamins. Number 3 is make sure that you're getting enough rest. So as you can see, we're on a trend here about your health. So we want to make sure we hydrate, take multivitamins, and that we're getting enough sleep. So if you're not rested and not getting enough sleep, your body can be thrown out of whack. We know that when you're stressed, your hair tends to fall out. So just make sure you're getting enough sleep. Number 4 is making sure that you have a routine for your locks. We all know not to put too much product in your hair to prevent a lot of buildup. But when you do put products in your hair, make sure that you're washing it out and it's not getting clogging up your pores that's preventing your hair from growing. Because when it's dirty and it's not clean, your hair doesn't want to grow in that environment. Your hair is not going to thrive in that environment. So make sure you're keeping your hair washed, you condition your hair. I know I've heard a lot of people with locks don't really condition their hair, and to me that's a big no-no. You want to keep your hair moisturized. We use oil on our scalp, but we want to condition and moisturize our hair at the same time, because when your hair is dry, again, it's going to lead to breakage, and we don't want breakage. We want our hair to grow. We want our hair to thrive. So make sure you're keeping a routine, wash, condition. And lastly, this brings me to point number 5, which is wrap your hair. So make sure you're wrapping your hair at night, preferably with a silk scarf. And we already know, of course, our hair is going to shed, but if we can prevent a lot of the breakage at the root, that would be ideal. So these are my 5 tips to growing healthy and thick locks. Lastly, I do have a bonus tip for my ladies. If you are pregnant, pregnancy exacerbates or it speeds up hair growth, nail growth, all that. So being pregnant can also help to grow your nails and hair. And there you have it, my tips to growing healthy and thick locks. If you found these tips helpful, please let me know in the comments. If you have more tips, go ahead, drop those below as well. Like I said before, like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notifications so you don't miss any of the videos that I have coming out. And I will see you guys next time for some more lock and lifestyle videos.